Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we'll explore how to create a business financial report graphic using RGB in Photoshop. Financial visuals demand clarity. RGB adjustments help charts remain readable on screens. Colors separate data clearly. Numbers feel organized and clean. The design avoids distractions. Business credibility increases through structured color balance. RGB keeps graphs professional and easy to understand. Visual noise is reduced. The report now feels polished and suitable for corporate presentation. Clear visuals support confident decision.